American gangs, Asian ones, don't compare to the triads.
I don't like this cocky little fucker.
You need to be more careful, Ray. Much more careful.
Rosa told me that the things between Winston and DarkOS are hidden.
What, can I help you? Ah, there you go.
Wait, you okay, man? You look like someone took a shit on your face.
Jackie, I'm just... Where'd you get the van?
My uncle's a chop shop around the corner. Call it a pre-stolen ride. I'm thinking I'm gonna get a steady girlfriend.
Oh, yeah?
What do you think it's you, May?
You're not worried that she doesn't want to talk to you?
Hell no. If I let that stop me, I'd never ask anybody out. What about you? You ever think of finding somebody?
A relationship. Wouldn't really work with my life right now.
Sure it could. Look at me.
You're one of a kind, Jackie.
Ah! Put on his mask. Can't let DarkOS know the results. There should only be a few Whoa!
Keep the engine running.
What the hell?
Come and get me!
俾乜你死橙？你會打爆你啊！
Get him! That's right!
哇！嚇緊死我啊！哇！啊！
There's more of them! 俾佢見識下我哋啲嘢！ Watch should be in the warehouse, man. shit! We're taking off for good! Go, 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 man! Hang on, I'll go get the watches. Wait! We got him! Damn, that was crazy, man! We did it! We did it! Check it out! It's raining Cambria!
That was our big boost? A shipment of cheap watches?
What?
Jackie, these are fake as fuck.
Holy shit, Tylo, the cops drive! Wait,